Hello friends, the aim of our project is data encryption using steganography. The term steganography means hiding one message in the other message or hiding image in the another image. So we are implementing this project on MATLAB software, and apart from MATLAB we don't need any other component. Okay. So in our project we will be encrypting grayscale image in the RGB image. Each image is a matrix. Suppose this is a grayscale image, it is a matrix, and RGB image has three matrices, one for red, one for green, and the for blue. GR1 is the pixel value of the grayscale image, which is supposed to be a 8-bit number. And similarly, the red, green, and blue are 8-bit values. So we'll be storing 6 most significant bits of the grayscale image in the RGB image, and we are removing 2 bits because they won't be making much difference in the image. Okay. So we are taking the 2 bits 1 1 and we are storing it in red, R1 in the lowermost significant bits. Then the 2 bits 0 1 in the G1 in this value, and then the remaining 2 bits 0 0 in the B1 0 0. Okay. So this is the algorithm which we are using for data encryption. Now this is how we are simulating. We are running. We now will be encrypting. We'll be taking 2 different size images. One image is 2048 into 1536, and the other image is 1600 into 1200. It's taking simulation time. The first image which will be see will be the data image which will be encrypted. This is the image which will be. This is the data image which will be encrypted in the other image. These are the 2 images now. Figure 1 shows the original image, and the figure 2 shows the image containing the data. So now it's clearly visible that there is hardly any difference in both the images, because only the low significant bits are being changed, not the most significant bits. So now we'll be seeing the other 2 images, the data image, and it's taking simulation time. These are the 2 images. This figure 1 is the original data image, and figure 2 is the extracted image.
We have seen how to embed image in an image. Now let us assume that we have to hide some text in an image. For that, this is the code. Now we have to select any image. Assume we select this image. Now the image will open. Now suppose I have to type any text. Let us assume I am typing, I am on YouTube. Now this text will be converted into ASCII numbers. Now the ASCII bits will be saved as per the previous rule only. The load 2 bits will be saved in image. Now after embedding the image, this is the graph of the frequency of the occurrence of pixel values. Figure 1 red, figure 2 blue, and figure 3 corresponds to the green color. The above graph shows before the extraction image of the original image, and the figure 2 shows after embedding the data, the text basically. Now we can see that there is basically no difference even in the whole graph. For every pixel value it shows almost the same value. So we can see that it's very efficient method of saving data. Now extending the hiding of image in another image, we can also hide a video in another video. Basically it uses the same concept only. For every frame of video we can hide a frame of another video. So it's basically hiding image in another image but multiple times. So this is the code. Now if I run it, now what you will see is, wait. Since now it uses multiple images, it is also taking much more time. So ours is 102 frames. So this is the data video which we want to hide. The rotation is anti-clockwise, so you need to keep that in point. This is the data. Now the video in which we want to hide, let us see that. This is rotating clockwise. Now this is before hiding. Now after we embed the image, the video will be this. Now you can see that it doesn't differ much from the previous one. Now after extracting the data, now this is the combined image. Now after extracting it with see the video, you will see that there is not much difference, like for every image we saw. Now the flickering is because for every time code is running, otherwise it's the video. So now you have seen that. So basically we have designed an algorithm based on the low to significant bit, and on the basis of that we have designed 3 codes. First is hiding image in another image, next is hiding text in another image, and video in another video. Now we have shown all that. Now basically our future work is based on making another more efficient algorithms, so that we can even hide RGB image into an equal size RGB image. And this is all we have done. Myself Vineet Singla.
I am Harsh Kumar.
And I'm Bala.
So
These are our contact
for any
details.
suggestions, feel free to mail or comment below.